Just as I can see, I am start in my starting period. I start English speaking before 7 days. So topic is that how to improve our fluency. But before getting into the topic, I would like to share with you my English speaking journey. How did I learn this language? Okay. Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to share with you how to improve our English fluency, and also I am going to share with you my English speaking journey from struggle to success. How did I become fluent in English? How did I learn this language? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you everything. And also I am going to give you some tips which will help you to improve your fluency. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribe my channel, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so question is that topic is that how to improve our fluency. But before getting into the topic, I would like to share with you my English speaking journey. How did I learn this language? Okay, which kind of problems I have faced in order to learn fluent in English. I'm not saying that I am fluent in English, but I am improving. Okay, I know that I improved myself a lot. Okay, so first thing is that I'm going to give you some thing related to my qualification, my background. So okay, so I have done my whole education throughout Hindi medium school in a government school. Okay, I was good in study, but I learned English as a subject. Okay, I know some grammar, but I am not able to speak in English even a single word in front of my friends, because all my friends were going convent school, but I was going in a Hindi medium government school because my father was not able to send me in a convent school. Okay, so because of this, I was not able to speak in English a single word, a single sentence in front of my friends. So I felt hesitate. I felt okay, inferiority complex, and there was a desire inside me. After passing the time, okay, after passed some times, and I was good in study, so I got a government job. So I became a basic teacher, but the problem was the same. I did not get any environment. I did not get anyone with whom I could practice in English. So the problem was the same. I taught all the student which came in a rural place, in a rural areas, because I was a teacher in a rural areas. Still, I am a teacher in a rural areas where student came from poor family, from a rural family. I have not got any environment in order to fluent in English, in order to learn this language. So, but the problem is that there was a eager inside me, and what happened 1 year ago, that is the same day, 30 May, it was summer vacation, and I had a lot of time to spend with my hobbies. So I started to scroll my mobile and scroll. Then suddenly I thought that why not started to learn this language. So I started this language, how to speak in English fluently, and within 7 days I learned some grammar rules. I revised some grammar rules because I have already know some grammar rules, as I said you that I was good in study, so I learned English as a subject. Okay, but I started making video, and I want to save all the video in a wonderful place. I wanted to show my improvement, so I opened this channel, English with Desi Madam, and I started videos which I was, practicing at that time every day. And you can see after 1 year, you can see the improvement. There is a lot of improvement. I am in front of you and I am speaking with you because there is a fluency. The ideas and thoughts come in my mind, and I just start to speak with you. Okay, so how did I get this fluency? So I'm going to share with you some techniques, some method which I have followed in order to learn this language. Okay, so the very first thing is that मैंने कहीं कहावत सुनी है कि आपने जो कुछ भी पढ़ा है, अगर आप उसको प्रैक्टिस में नहीं लाते हैं तो वो सब चीज बेकार है. ओके ओके, सो व्हाट एवर यू लर्न समथिंग is going to useless if you not put it into practice. Okay, कोई भी चीज आपने उसको लर्न की, अगर आपने उसको प्रैक्टिस में नहीं लाई तो आपका समय भी बेकार है और आपने जो कुछ भी उसमें एनर्जी लगाई वो भी बेकार हो गया. ओके, सो इस चीज ने मुझे हमेशा ध्यान रखा कि मैंने रूल्स याद किए हैं. आई हैव लर्न लॉट ऑफ इंग्लिश ग्रामर रूल्स, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट आई एम नॉट अप्लाइंग इट in my daily day-to-day life because I have not environment. Okay, so the problem is that there are some people who always asking a question that, ma'am, I want to fluent in English but I have no environment, and also I am from Hindi medium schools, I am not from convent school, and so because of this I am not able to speak in English. Okay, so here is an example. I am from Hindi medium school. I was not going any convent school, okay, at that time. I am a student throughout Hindi medium school, okay. But if I can speak in English in front of you, then why you can't? You can also speak in English, because I realized after some times, okay, if you are thinking like this, so yes, I was always thinking like the same, that I was not able to speak in English because I'm not from convent school. I felt inferiority complex in front of my friends. I felt like that I am so worst students, but I was good in study. So these things kept me felt me inferiority complex. Not speaking in English, okay, will give you inferiority, because in today's time English is very important. Okay, today's time English is very important. No one can deny it that, okay, English is not useful, okay, but yes, English is very useful. English give you respects in front of your friends whenever you are going to meet with some people. So English will give you respect. If you know some English, you will get respect. Okay, so English is very important, no one can deny it. But so what I did, so I'm going to share with you my strategies. Okay, first thing is that I took a decision, 100 days. Okay, 100 days I am going to speak in English. Okay, so this is the first step that I had taken at that time, 1 year ago. Okay, this is the same day, 30 May. 1 year ago I took a decision that, okay, I am going to speak in English next 100 days. So this is the thing that I did at that time, and this is the biggest decision in my life, because whole life I was thinking that, okay, I am from Hindi medium school, so that's why I am not able to speak in English. Okay, at the point of time I realized that yes, it's not a true excuse. Okay, because medium is not a matter, the matter is that motivation. If you have some motivation, if you have some eagerness, if you have passion to learn this language, then medium, environment, and your problem is also that, ma'am, I have no one with whom I can practice in English. Only the excuse. Okay, the problem is that we are thinking of all about the problems. We are not thinking how to solve this problem. Okay, because solving the problem is going to solve your problem, but only thinking about the problem, it's not going to solve your problem 0.1%. Okay, so what I did, I just took a decision, 100 days. Okay, next 100 days I am going to speak in English. Okay, and this is the same channel, English with Desi Madam. I started to speaking in English and started record my videos, and yes, I uploaded on YouTube. Okay, you can see my videos. I never skip a single days. Okay, so second thing is that what I did, second thing is that consistency. Okay, consistency is very important, because I heard somewhere that making a habit, it's going to take minimum 21 days. किसी भी आदत को बनाने में कम से कम 21 दिन लगते हैं. Okay, but breaking the habit, it's only going to take only 3 days. So if you skip whatever you learning any skill, if you skip a single day, so next day your mind, your body don't want to get learn that skill again. If you skip 2 days continuously, then third day your mind and your body do not give you permission to learn that skill. So please try to be consistent with your skill. Whatever you want to learn, so you have to stick with this skill. Okay, so this is the second thing that I followed, consistency. Be consistent. Okay, now third thing that I have followed in order to be fluent in English, that is motivation. You know, first day I felt that lot of motivation. Okay, and 15 days I continuously did practice each and every day, and I uploaded on YouTube. Okay, but after 15 days my motivation is, was going down day by day. So what I did exactly, I started to listen lots of motivational story. Because storytelling, it's a wonderful method to improve your English. Not only improve your English, but also it will give you motivation. So this is the third thing that I followed in order to learn this language. Motivational story. So I started listening lots of motivational story, and I started telling motivational story in English. So there are two benefits telling a story. First, I improved my English. Second, I got some inspiration, some motivation through all the motivational stories. So there are two benefits of telling a story. Okay, so this is the third thing that I followed, that I did. Okay, next thing that I followed, that is be confident. This is a main important thing, because what happened, we know some grammar rule, we know lots of rule about grammar, but the problem is that we feel like, what if I will speak in English in front of the public, in front of someone, so people will laugh at my English. So first you have to take a courage. What I did, I just took a decision that next 100 days I am going to speak in English no matter what. If I will if I will be making grammatically mistakes in order to learn this language, in order to speak in English, what if I will not complete my sentence in front of the public? What if I will forget my words, so people laugh at my English? So I never thought this like this. Okay, what I did, I just started to practice in English and upload it on YouTube. Okay, if people laugh at my English, let them laugh. So this is the thing that I followed. Take a courage, show your courage. Okay, if you are making mistakes, don't worry. Even native speakers also make mistakes. Okay, so if you are making a mistake, that means you are learning new skill, and try to next time not make the same mistakes again, because mistakes will teach you. Mistakes are your best friend, mistakes are your best teacher. They teach you that okay, next time you don't need to do same mistakes again. Okay, so this is the thing that I followed in order to learn this language. Okay, be consistent, be confident, and the next thing is that don't think about judgment. Okay, because if you are thinking all the time that what if I do many different kind of mistakes, so what will others do? दूसरे लोग फिर क्या करेंगे? उनका काम उनको करने दो, आप अपना काम करो. So because to be fluent in English, it's your goal, it's your achieve that you want to achieve. Okay, so try to learn this language, try to make all the surroundings okay, and focused on your goal. Don't focus others advice, others taunting, because कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, आपको काम है अपना काम करना. Okay, so in this way I improved my journey. Okay, from struggle to success. I'm not saying that I am perfect in English, still I am making different kind of mistakes, but I know that I am improving. I improved my English a lot, and yes, still it's a lifelong process. And yes, I will be fluent in English after sometimes I will be master in English, and all the problems that I have faced in order to learn this language, the light of achievement, the light of gain will overcome all the pain. So no pain, no gain. It's a wonderful quotes, कहावत है कि बिना मेहनत के कुछ भी आपको हासिल नहीं होता है. So that's all I wanted to share with you. That's all I wanted to give you. Okay, in this way I got my fluency. I'm not saying that I am perfect in English, but whatever I have experienced in my journey, so I just wanted to share with you in this video. And I hope you got some inspiration from my journey. I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, एक कहावत है ना कि आप किसी चीज़ को बिल्कुल दिलो दिमाग से चाहते हो तो सारी कायनात उससे मिलाने के लिए लग जाती है. Okay, so be consistent, be confident, and yes, you will be fluent in English, you will be master in English, but for this you have to consistent, you have to stick with this journey. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.